Welcome back, my name is VassaOlga. Today we're testing a new primer. I got this one from NYX. By the way, this is not super affordable. I'd say it's between pricey and affordable as well. And I will be testing my Ultimate Makeup Revolution Focus and Fix Primer. Those are absolutely different. I heard so many different reviews on this little guy in my left hand, and I'm gonna be honest. So, if this primer is not helping me to lock my Morphe palettes on my lid, then I just don't know what's gonna help me out in this situation. Because you know that my least favorite products, like my least favorite palettes, are from Morphe. And it's not because I don't really like Morphe palettes. I do love them. I love the pigmentation, I love the payoff. I love James Charles eyeshadow palette. This is so pretty and super good. But what I don't really like about this eyeshadow palette is that when I'm almost done doing my makeup look, it starts creasing. It starts creasing badly, and I don't really like when this shit happens. That's why I bought a new primer. What I don't really like about Morphe palettes is that sometimes you just have to buy some eye primers that can help this shadows to be on your lid, and this is not good. I expect this product to work out immediately without any other preps. This is my least favorite palette from Morphe, not because of the pigmentation, not because of payoff, but because of the long wear. It's like short wear, I'd say, if I may say so. So I will be applying this NYX primer on my left eye, and I will be applying my Makeup Revolution Focus and Fix primer on my right eye. By the way, today I will be reviewing my Maybelline Super Matte Ink lipstick, but I'm gonna split this review because it might be a little bit boring. Let's get started. My 3 compliments of the day. I love being colorful, I love being sexy, and I love get attention from people. Now it's your turn. Name 3 compliments that you love about yourself beside the mirror. We have like 7 milliliters, and here we have how much? There's no info on my Makeup Revolution primer. I cannot find it. Have no idea. Okay, it's sticky. Okay, I heard someone said that this primer from NYX is even gonna help you to lock some shitty eyeshadows. Finally move into my Morphe James Charles X James Charles eyeshadow palette. So this is so pretty. I mean, you can create any makeup look with this eyeshadow palette, but the main problem is that it's not gonna stay all day long. That's why I will be doing some check-ins and check-outs every 2-3 hours. I'm just gonna increase my speed and show you the final result. So today it's not about makeup, it's mostly about review. Question of the day. How do I pick palettes. I wouldn't trust every YouTuber at some point because some of them are well paid for some comments and for a review and whatever. That's why I would definitely go and check out someone's pages as well, some comments from Google or Instagram, whatever, and see yourself, because sometimes it might be really pricey if you buy some products and it's not gonna work out. Okay guys, this is the final result. I want my lids to be without any falsies. That's why I'm gonna leave it this way, and I'm gonna do some check-ins and outs every 2 hours. And I'm gonna say you this, like with my Makeup Revolution eye primer, my right side is already creasing and my left side is still on. I'm gonna mention one thing. When I applied my NYX Proof It Waterproof Eyeshadow Primer, it was a little bit sticky, and when I applied some eyeshadows, it was, you know, like a little bit patchy. So that's why I recommend applying this eye primer and wait at least 2-3 minutes and then apply your eyeshadows. And with this guy on my right side, well, definitely, if it's still gonna be on in 2 or 3 hours, I'll be more than impressed, because as you can see, it is already creasing. It's 2:30, and I'm gonna do my check-ins in 4:30. It's 3:30. It's been 2 hours since I applied my eyeshadows from Morphe X James Charles eyeshadow palette. What we have on my right eye, I have a lot of creasing. Mainly it happened in this area, and basically I can tell it about my brown shades, a little bit of my blue colors. And on the left side, everything is pretty much decent. I'd say that I can't see any problem. I can't see any creasing. This is definitely good. This is NYX, and this one is on my right lid. That's why we have definitely a winner for now. I'm gonna have it for another 2 hours, let's say, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, it's 6 p.m. It's 6 p.m. and I'm gonna mention that, look at this. My right lid wiped off completely. And what about my left lid? I'm gonna mention that today it was pouring rain, and I went for a walk. I went to pick up some stuff. I'm just gonna sincerely apologize because Morphe is not that bad. It's basically about primer, but what I don't really like, and I still think that it might be a minus, is that I have to buy really good primer for these eyeshadows to work out, because when I apply some other stuff like concealer, my Makeup Revolution primer, sometimes I just apply a little bit of my white pencil and just blend this out with my finger, and it's still not working. So the only thing that works is this NYX primer. So is it approved? Yes, of course, it's 100% approved. I am not gonna test this out anymore because I don't know, I'm a little bit tired. I want to just get cozy, take off my makeup. I've been testing this for over like 4 or 5 hours and it's still on. I think that my Morphe palettes that are the only ones that are not working for me. I guess now with this primer I can really enjoy the process. I would rate this eye primer 10 out of 10. If you need something pretty much affordable, not super pricey, then of course go for this NYX eye primer, Proof It Waterproof Eye Primer. Guys, I hope you liked this review. If you did, then let me know in the comments, subscribe to my channel, click notification bell, and if you didn't, just let me know what you didn't like about this review. Till next time, bye bye.